Hey guys, recently I got myself into the 3D printing world, and after a few test prints I thought what would be useful and nice to have. Then I came across this nice little stand here on Thingiverse. It's designed for a Blade Runner gun, and by coincidence I made myself a gun quite some time ago, and it's looking pretty lonely. So I thought, why not? Let's have a look how I did it, and I'll explain the details in the end of the video. Have fun!
All those moments will be lost in time, like tears in rain.
Here we go, it's done, and it looks very nice. It's quite solid. I'm not afraid that it will ever fall off or something. And as you saw, I had to adjust this space down here, as this design is based on the 3D printed Blade Runner blaster, and mine is based on this thing here. I wanted it to look used and old, so I gave it just a simple weathering, glued everything together, and voila! Quite simple and nice to have. My only problem now is I think I have to make a new Blade Runner gun. This is still the test model from my mold, and I never tried it again. I think I can do better, but for now it's okay. I hope you liked it. If so, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to know how I made my Blade Runner gun, check out my building video. See ya!